It's no secret that Blaupunkt amplifiers are cheap, but that doesn't mean they aren't a solid purchase depending on your system. They're available online from us at qualitymobilevideo.com and in Walmart stores. These amplifiers won't break the bank and they offer very solid output. The AMP4000D is a monoblock amplifier coming in under $170 and boasts some serious power that we'll test for ourselves in a few minutes. Inside the box is an instruction manual, remote bass control, an extension cable, hardware, extra 50 amp fuses, and monoblock amplifier. Blaupunkt claims that this amplifier puts out 1000 watts RMS at 4 ohms, 2000 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 2800 watts RMS at 1 ohm. But 2800 watts RMS at 1 ohm, I'd be shocked if it hit that for real. Dimensions of the amplifier are 2.2 inches in height, 12.5 inches in length, and 7.4 inches in width. The AMP4000D has a single set of RCA inputs to connect directly to your head units with a set of RCA cables, or with a line output converter. For adjustments, it has gain control, variable bass boost, subwoofer phase, and low pass filter. Connect the included remote bass control to its inputs to adjust bass levels up front. Blaupunkt included 3 built-in 50 amp fuses, as well as large speaker and ground terminals. We recommend a minimum of 4 gauge power and ground cables, preferably 1-aught. Check out our amplifier installation kits online, link in the bio. Now, what you've been waiting for this entire video, what does this low-cost monoblock actually put out for power? The first test we ran was at 4 ohms, 40 hertz, 14.2 volts. Blaupunkt rates it 1000 watts here. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 434.7 watts RMS of continuous power, 0.9% distortion, and 41.4 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 397 watts RMS of continuous power. Next, we went to 2 ohms, 40 hertz, 13.6 volts. Blaupunkt rates it 2000 watts here. Our HP picked up 691.9 watts RMS of continuous power, 1.3% distortion, and 36.93 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 634 watts RMS of continuous power. Blaupunkt rates it 2800 watts here. Our HP picked up 961 watts RMS of continuous power, 2.1% distortion, and 30.5 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 920 watts RMS of continuous power. Our final test was a 40 hertz ramp test at 1 ohm. We broke 1000 watts RMS here, with a ton of distortion afterwards. Like we guessed, the Blaupunkt fell short of its power claims. However, for the cost, you are honestly getting very solid power with this amplifier. 961 watts RMS of continuous power at 1 ohm for around $170, that's a bargain. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. Join the conversation below, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and thanks for watching.